Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. It is automating tasks, improving decision-making, and enhancing efficiency in ways we never imagined possible. From manufacturing to logistics, and even financial analytics, AI is creating new possibilities across industries. By the year 2025, AI's influence will be even more profound, revolutionizing healthcare, transportation, and education. Imagine hospitals where AI assists in diagnosing diseases or classrooms where AI tailors learning experiences to individual students. We will witness incredible advancements in areas like personalized medicine and self-driving cars, making our lives safer and more personalized. However, this rapid progress also presents challenges, particularly concerning ethics and data privacy. It is crucial to address these challenges proactively to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, fostering a future where technology and ethics go hand in hand. AI is poised to revolutionize healthcare by 2025, bringing unprecedented changes to the medical field. AI algorithms will analyze medical images with greater accuracy and speed than humans, reducing the chances of misdiagnosis. This will enable earlier and more precise disease detection, potentially saving countless lives through timely intervention. Robotic surgery will become increasingly common, offering precision that human hands alone cannot achieve. This will allow for minimally invasive procedures with faster recovery times, reducing hospital stays and improving patient comfort. AI-powered virtual assistants will provide personalized health advice and support to patients, guiding them through their healthcare journey. This will make healthcare more accessible and efficient, especially for those in remote areas. Ultimately, these advancements will lead to better health outcomes and a significant reduction in healthcare costs, benefiting society as a whole. The transportation sector is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. Self-driving cars will become increasingly sophisticated and prevalent by 2025, improving road safety and efficiency. AI-powered traffic management systems will optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and emissions. Drones will play a crucial role in logistics and delivery, making it faster and more cost-effective to transport goods. These advancements will revolutionize how we commute, travel, and receive goods. Section 4, AI in Education and Work, Personalization and Productivity. AI will have a significant impact on education and the workplace by 2025. AI-powered learning platforms will provide personalized learning experiences, tailoring educational content to each student's needs and learning style. In the workplace, AI will automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. This will lead to increased productivity, job satisfaction, and economic growth. Section 5. The ethical considerations of AI navigating uncharted territory. As AI becomes more powerful, it is crucial to address the ethical considerations. These considerations are not just technical challenges but also moral and societal ones that require a multidisciplinary approach. Data privacy is paramount, and we must ensure that AI systems are designed and used responsibly to protect sensitive personal information. This involves implementing robust security measures and being transparent about data usage. The potential for job displacement due to automation is a concern, and we need to prepare workforces for the changing job market. This means investing in education and training programs to help workers transition to new roles. Finally, we must address the issue of AI bias. Bias in AI can lead to unfair outcomes and discrimination, which is why it is essential to develop fair and unbiased algorithms. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if the data is biased, the AI system will perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Continuous monitoring and updating of these systems are necessary to mitigate such risks.